Hello everybody, it's Mark here, and my company, Kirby Stars, and today I'm going to be taking a nature walk. So yeah, I just put on some shoes, so I don't step in doggy doogie, you know what I mean. And my dogs will be walking around. And sorry if there's bad background noise, I'm outside, what do you expect? But I'm just gonna explore. Oh, what is that? I found a flag. It says, I don't know what that says. I don't feel like reading it. So yeah, we're gonna go over here where there's a flower bed and saw some doggy doogie over here, so I hope I don't step in it. Oh, there it is. Ew, the doggy doogie. The doggy doogie. Ew. Okay, so... Oh, we have some nice flowers here. Super nice. Oh, my dog just tripped. That was funny. Oh my god, that was really funny. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh wow, it seems it's really nice out here today. Glad I picked this day. I'm in my pajamas. Yeah. And what is that? Oh yeah, they cut off this thingamabob, and I don't know. And I'm wearing cat ears. They cut off, what is it called? Electric thingy for like signal. I forgot what it's called. Hey, I haven't noticed this. This is like one of the things I haven't noticed. Is this a heart? Why does it look like a heart? I don't heart anybody. Blushes. No! Oh my. Ew, it's another flag. Does this like lead to a pirate place or something? Oh, it's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. Okay, this is really weird. Oh, those are nice flowers. Where did they get all these flowers? Are you eating something? Oh yeah, and we're gonna like replace the fence because I feel like someone's stalking me right now. Because probably my mom or dad is stalking me right now, which is scary. You don't want someone stalking you, do you? Because that thing was like open. And it's so open, I think they were stalking me. So I'm just sitting down right now. And how about I dare myself and look in that shed? Oh, I think there's just a mower in it. I don't know. Ew, there was a bug on me. I don't think my backyard's so awesome. My dog thinks it is, but I'm just one of those indoor people. Well, I love the smell of nature and I love going in the forest, but I guess I just don't like my backyard all that much. Oh, hair in my mouth, ew. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess I just like the forest and all. I love nature. I read Warrior Cats, one of for all. Yes, I'm a Warrior Cats fan. And yeah, I guess I'm just like really connected with that. You letting the dogs in? Oh, okay. Well, I guess dinner's ready, so yeah.